Just some friendly advice, you'll want to watch and make this finger jig before you actually watch the making the hands tutorial. Due to time constraints, I'm going to briefly talk you through this whole wooden jig for the fingers, alright? You should have two pieces of wood right here. I already took this thing apart. I'm leaving it kind of close together because as you can see at the bottom, there's a little bit of hot glue here, so I'm not going to pull this apart here. Grab a drill bit, roughly about this size, more of on the smaller end. Pick any portion of the wood, usually around the middle, and make a pilot hole all the way through two pieces. See how this is coming through right here? We're just making a pilot hole so that we can actually guide the screw. Then this is a coarse wood screw. This is 2 inches. As you can see, the threads are very coarse. And just drill it through, really, from one side to the next. And then as you can see, it's going through the other side here. Now, this is the important part. We have 2 pennies here. We are going to actually use these as spacers, right? So we're going to put 1 penny on one side here and another penny on this side here. It doesn't matter if it's right in the middle here, it just has to be on either side. The screw has to be sort of in the middle of every part here because the most important part is just having this crevice here so that we can put the cross point portion of the screwdriver inside this little crevice here. So the pennies as spacers is going to be making it wide enough for the cross point portion of the screwdriver to fit in here. It's going to be real simple. I mean, all you need to do is just take your screw gun and just drill it in. Just put it on the table here and just drill it in until the other side meets. Just go all the way through and make sure that the pennies are still in the middle so it kind of keeps the spacer. Now as you can see, I put some hot glue on the other side because the screw is coming out of the other side. It's just for safety, of course, because it's just sharp. Once you're done, you can actually remove the pennies, and now you have this crevice here so that the cross points of your screwdriver can actually fit in here for the actual finger covers, right? And that's all we need to do. 2 blocks of wood, 1 screw, and pennies. And now we have a finger jig here. Okay, as you can see, I turned it over, and I just wanted to reiterate, there is a strip of hot glue on the bottom, okay? That's purposeful, okay? So you'll probably want to add a little bit of hot glue on the very bottom side, not the top side that we're actually going to be using the finger jig for, but the bottom side, so that we can actually keep the spacer nice and clean and separated. Because if you don't, it might wobble on each side, so put a little bit of hot glue on the very bottom here, just a little tidbit hack. And that's all there is to it.